Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to share my first video with you. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a giveaway bot for Discord, even if you have no prior coding experience. By following my instructions, you'll be able to set up all the awesome giveaway features without writing a single line of code. So let's dive right in and get started on this amazing journey together. So before we start, make sure to follow me and like this video if you find it useful. By doing so, you'll be supporting me in developing my content and continuing to share this kind of stuff. So, once you open the project by clicking on its link in the description, you'll just have to place your Discord bot token at the end of the code line like I do. If you're unsure about how to obtain your Discord bot token or how to invite your bot to your server, simply follow the instructions provided in the description. Now, after successfully placing your bot token, let's run Replit's project and test it out together and witness its amazing functionality firsthand. As you can see, the bot works flawlessly. If you found this video helpful and enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing and following my channel to stay updated and show your support by liking the videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.